Okay, good morning everybody. How are we doing today? Good morning. Ni hao. Annyeonghaseyo. Buenos dias. Bonjour. Buongiorno. Aloha. Namaste. Konnichiwa. Bonjour. Good day, mates. Welcome to New York City. My name is David. Welcome to New York Water Taxi. Guys, quick safety announcement. In the unlikely event of an emergency, there are life jackets located beneath your seat. We have uniformed crew members on board to assist you. When you're walking up and down the stairs of the boat, please hold on to the handrails. Do the same when you're on the top deck. And watch out for your cameras and phones. Salt water to splash up onto the deck from time to time. Guys, you're free to move about the boat. Please just do so carefully. If anybody wants a hot or a cold drink, go visit Ada and back. She's got coffee, tea, hot chocolate, snacks, beer, soda, wine, stuff like that. Okay, we're heading out on the East River. We have Manhattan on our left, Brooklyn on our right, passing underneath the Brooklyn Bridge. And the bridge right in front of us, the blue and white bridge, is the Manhattan Bridge that opened in 1909. You can see a subway on the lower level. New York City has the world's largest subway system. 468 stops on almost 800 miles of track. It's open 24 hours a day. 1.6 billion people ride the subway every year. That's over 5 million people a day. And we're not even #1 in the world in ridership. We're #4 behind Moscow, Tokyo, and Seoul, Korea. The third bridge you can see in the distance is the Williamsburg Bridge that opened in 1904. The Manhattan Bridge goes right into Canal Street. That's the main street in Chinatown. New York's Chinatown is one of the largest populations of Chinese outside of mainland China in the world. Great neighborhood. I was there on Sunday. I had a delicious dim sum Sunday morning. Had to wait about an hour to get in there, but it was worth it. The Golden Unicorn on East Broadway. Check it out. Had to go in there, they give you a number, and then you come back in a half an hour. Couldn't get the right carts to come to my table on Sunday. I don't know what was going on with that. Right in front of us, practically on top of us, is the Brooklyn Bridge. It opened in 1883. It took 14 years to build. It employed 4,000 men during that time period, and when it finally opened, it was twice as long as any suspension bridge built before it. The genius of a German immigrant named John Roebling, who owned a wire company, and it was Roebling's idea to take multiple strands of wire and twist it into cable. They called it braiding. And on a bridge